around the brown barn and around the white shed.
Okay. Are we driving alone today?
I think we might have somebody down there, but it's not going to be very many people out on track. So how was the ride along?
It was good, man.
Cool. Oh yeah, I guess we are. Just you and me then.
All right, let's do it.
You, me, and the SS there.
I've driven on this track before.
Okay.
So I'm gonna.
It's a little more basic than probably when you know. Go ahead and follow him. You can keep up with him. I'll be surprised. All right. So red cones here. Those are your brake markers. We're gonna drive all the way out to our turning cones here. Nice smooth arc to our green apex cone here. 2 yellow cones. You can accelerate all the way to those 2 yellow cones. We're gonna lift off here. Light brake here. So most of the turns here are going to require light braking, not real heavy. Go ahead and squeeze that throttle all the way to those 2 yellow cones. Yes, sir. All right. And a light brake here. We're going to go from me to you. Let him kind of get on their way. Otherwise, we're going to be right up his tailpipe. Yeah. And go ahead and squeeze that throttle. You can accelerate all the way to those 2 yellow cones down there. Once you get down there, we're going to lift off. And a light brake and a heavy brake. Light brake, lighter brake, and off the brakes, off the brakes. You want to try and brake hard at the 2 red cones. So a good firm brake here. Make sure you stay outside. Okay.
Yeah, because I can do it. Yep. It's going to be,
Yep. And then we're going to accelerate all the way to those 2 little red cones here. Stay high and tight here. Touch the brakes here. You want to dive down on throttle. Dive down on throttle. There you go. Yeah. All the way to those 2 little red cones. All right, so maybe you are going to push him a little bit. Good firm brake here. We're going to stay to the outside. Wait for it.
Can I let him maybe, because I could pass him for sure.
Oh, yeah. No, you're good. And good firm brake here. Good firm brake. We're going to go from me to you. And then all the way down to those 2 little yellow cones there. Good firm brake here. Good firm brake. And wait for it. Back to you. Back on that throttle. Easy on the throttle. And all the way to the 2 yellow cones. And lift off. Light brake. Off the brakes. Down to the 2 red cones. All the way up to me. And good firm brake here. Good firm brake. Wait for your turn in. And back to you. Easy on the throttle. And down to the 2 little red cones there. Stay high. Good firm brake here. Good firm brake. And down the hill on power. There you go. And squeeze that throttle all the way to those 2 little red cones. You got it. Off. Good firm brake here. Good firm brake. And you to me. Toes on the throttle. There you go. All the way to the 2 little yellow cones. Lift off. Light brake here. Light brake. And me to you. Toes back to the throttle. There you go. Good job. Lift off. Good firm brake here. Stay out of the bowl. And back to the throttle. All the way to those 2 little yellow cones. You're pushing him hard. And this is hilarious. Good firm brake here. Brake. And off. All the way down to those 2 red cones. You got it. Good firm brake. Stay out. And all the way down to you. Wait for it. Now toes on the throttle. All the way up. We're going to chase that coming up the hill. Brake. And down the hill on power. Squeeze that throttle. All the way to those 2 red cones. You got this, man. Keep going. And good firm brake here. Good firm brake. You to me. All the way over to me. Back on that throttle. Toes. There you go. And lift off. Good firm brake here. Good firm brake. Be down to you. Toes back on that throttle. Toes. And lift off. Light brake here. And be to you. Back toes on the throttle. Squeeze it all the way to those 2 yellow cones. You got it. Last time down the straightaway. And lift off. Brake. There you go. Back down to you. And more brakes. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Thanks for letting me drive, man.
Oh, you're welcome, man.
That was awesome.
So make sure you miss these potholes that obviously he didn't.
That was a lot of fun, man. This car is fast, but I noticed it didn't downshift really quickly. You know, it didn't.
Yeah.
It was kind of holding those gears.
Part of that is the mode that we're in, the sport mode. So good for him.
Thank you, man. Oh, that was, dude. Yeah, my heart's beating for sure. I was going pretty hard there. I was being safe, though.
Oh, yeah.
I was being safe.
Did you not hear how excited I was?
I did.